Hi everyone, Ms. Cahill here. I'm going to show you how to go about finding the daily lessons, Zoom links, and assignments. So basically, the easiest and most straightforward way to do this is to access the Canvas calendar. So the way that you're going to do that is you are going to find the Canvas website icon in a place that is easy for you. I put it in a folder on my iPad called Teaching. So I'm going to select that. And right now, because I'm in student view, it's acting a little funny, but basically what I'm gonna do is there is a bar on the left side of the screen. I'm gonna click on the icon that says Calendar. And on Calendar, what you can see here is that I have an assignment called Test Assignment due on September 30th. Now, if I leave student view really quick, I can actually see all of my classes and all of the items and assignments that I have scheduled so far in my calendar. So let's say I just want to look at my English 2 class. I have this menu over here on the side. Right now it's loading a little bit slowly, which is annoying. So let's pretend, okay, here we go. So let's say I want to just look at my English 2 calendar. I would scroll through and I would just make sure that semester 1 of English 2 is checked off, and you can see all of my sections and assignments that are due that day. So I'm just going to check my second hour class, and here you can see that I have the Zoom meeting link right at the top. I have the goal of the lesson. I have the slides with audio. And then I have the archived Zoom meeting video will be posted in the event that that is necessary. Sometimes it won't be. I can see my exit ticket, so that is something that I definitely have to do to make sure I get marked present, and then all of the other assignments. So that's where I can find my lesson, my Zoom links, and assignments all in the Canvas calendar. In addition to finding the specific lessons, I can also just see what items are due. So for example, in my English 2 class, I have a family contact form assignment due on Monday. Even though we don't have a synchronous lesson on Monday, I do have that form due just so that I can see what assignments are available. And that's what you'll see as well. So you'll have the daily agenda, which you'll know is what that is because you'll see the little calendar icon. And then you also have the assignments, which you can see the little paper and pen icon. So that's how you find your lessons, Zoom links, and assignments.